Welcome to our electrical engineering YouTube channel. In this video, we will see an example on equivalent resistance. To download our electrical engineering app, you can visit this website link electrical-engineering.app. This website is especially designed for electrical and electronics engineering students. Question: find equivalent resistance between terminals A and B. Now here for this circuit, we have to determine its equivalent resistance between terminal A and B. Solution: first of all, we will take this circuit. Now here we can see this 2 ohm is in parallel with this 2 ohm. Now how? Let's see. This is one node and here this is another node. So here we can clearly see these two are connected together. That means this 2 ohm is in parallel with this 2 ohm. Now similarly, this 2 ohm is parallel with this 2 ohm. So what we can do? First 2 ohm parallel with 2 ohm. So it will be simply 2 into 2 divided by 2 plus 2. So it will be simply 1 ohm. Now this will be 1 ohm and also this will be 1 ohm. Now again let's redraw the circuit. Now what we can do? We can erase this one. Now here this and this will be 1 ohm and this is also 1 ohm. Because we are replacing these two by 1 ohm and these two by 1 ohm. So the circuit will look like this. Now here we can clearly see this 1 ohm and this 1 ohm are connected in series. So it will be simply 2 ohm. Now again this 2 ohm parallel with 2 ohm. So we know that 2 ohm parallel with 2 ohm. The answer is RAB is equal to simply 2 into 2 divided by 2 plus 2. So it is simply 1 ohm. So therefore RAB is equal to 1 ohm. So this is how we can solve these types of circuits. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel, and thanks for watching.